If Microsoft Word is showing error code 0X426-0X0, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through a simple fix step by step. This issue is often caused by a damaged Office installation or a service problem with Microsoft 365, and the good news is that you can usually repair it in just a few minutes without losing your files. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Let's get started with the first method. Open the Control Panel on your Windows PC. You can do this by typing Control Panel into the Start menu search bar and selecting it from the results. Once the Control Panel opens, click on Programs and Features. This area shows all the applications installed on your computer, including Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Now find Microsoft Office in the list. Depending on your version, it may say Microsoft 365 instead of Office, but the steps are the same. Right-click on it and choose Change. After that, you should see the repair options. Select the repair option and follow the on-screen instructions. In many cases, a quick repair is enough to fix the error, but if that doesn't solve it, you can try the online repair option for a more thorough reset of the Office installation. While that repair process is running, let it complete fully. Don't close the window early because Office may need a few minutes to check the files, restore missing components, and correct whatever is causing Word to fail at launch. Once the repair is finished, restart your computer and try opening Word again. If the error is gone, then you've already fixed the problem. If you still see the same error code, we're going to check the Microsoft Office Click to Run service next. This service is important because it helps Office apps update and run correctly in the background. To open the Services window, press the Windows T plus R on your keyboard, type services.msc, and press Enter. This will bring up a list of Windows services. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Office Click to Run service. When you see it, right-click it and choose Properties. A new window will open with several settings. Look for the Startup Type option and set it to Automatic. This ensures the service starts by itself whenever Windows boots up, which can help prevent Word from throwing error code 0X426-0X0. After setting it to Automatic, click Apply, then OK. If the service is not currently running, you can also start it from the same window if that option is available. Once again, restart your computer after making this change so the new setting can take effect properly. Now open Microsoft Word and test it one more time. In many cases, these two steps, repairing Office and setting the Click to Run service to Automatic, are enough to solve the issue. If Word opens normally, then the problem was likely caused by a corrupted Office component or a disabled background service. If you still see the same error code, you may also want to check for Windows updates and Office updates, because outdated software can sometimes trigger launch errors too. But for most users, the repair and service fix will do the job. So to quickly recap, go to Control Panel, open Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, click Change, and repair the installation. Then press Windows key plus R, open Services, find Microsoft Office Click to Run service, set the startup type to Automatic, and restart your PC. That's the safest and simplest way to fix Microsoft Word error code 0X426-0X0. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.